just right. Sometimes it falls on my wife's head. Oh, there you go. It does that.
It was very simple to put in. It looks nice, I think, and has several different controls. So you just push it and all of them seem to work well. That one can clean everything. Turn it off and hang it back. Took me not even 10 minutes to install. We'll see how the water feels in a couple days.
The only thing is that it leaks through there, so I just put some Teflon tape on it so it doesn't leak that bad. But yeah. So I don't know why it does that, but I put some tape on there. So.
Guys, this viral TikTok shop shower head is back and it is better than ever. Try to say that 3 times really fast. Trust me, I typically don't get sucked into these TikTok trends. Every single video I scroll to has some ad that is trying to suck me in. I am here to tell you, I am so happy I finally made this decision. If you're like me, a viral shower head is the last thing on your list. But the pressure is unbelievable. It has 7 different settings and it has a water filtration system inside of the nozzle. The pressure behind this thing has stunned me. It has a massage setting, a pressure wash setting. I absolutely love this because it makes cleaning my shower so much easier. Head on over to my shop now and order yours while shipping is free. Oh yeah, and peace out, Girl Scout.
So I am renting my place and I have very hard water. I live in Colorado. There was a lot of minerals in the old shower head. It was really disgusting. I also have a really weird pipe that the shower head screws into. There's like a ball at the end of it. I've never seen anything like it. If you have a ball at the end of yours, this shower head is compatible. it was hard for me to find one that would be compatible with this kind of fixture. But this is it. I got black because it was the cheapest. I know it doesn't match, but this isn't my house. I'm not gonna pay a bunch for someone else's shower head. But anyways, I think it's very well made. It is very easy to install. Very lightweight. I think it's good quality. I definitely have noticed a difference in my hair and in my skin especially. It works nicely. Kind of hard to see, but got a nice stream. Comes with all these different settings. Just click the button. Easy peasy. There's also filters available on Amazon, and taking those apart or taking this shower head apart and putting those in is insanely easy as well. But if you're like me and just really need a replacement head and want your skin and hair to feel a little bit better, and you have really hard water, I would definitely recommend this product.
Yes, I hear it very loud, very clear. My other one didn't make that sound.
It's a whistling.
I'm relieved when her phone buzzes. Her sad eyes light up, and I assume it's a text from Harry Legs, the mystery guy she apparently told Henry about, not me. Chapter 16. Lake. This is the first time in 15 years I've slept under the same roof as Cat Steiner, and it's strange. When she asked if she could stay